Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to chat with someone in OkCupid. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. This is the explore page of the OkCupid. Here you can find different profiles of different people. You can check out them. And if you like someone, you can right swipe on them. If they also like back, it'll be your match. In order to chat in OkCupid, you must match with the other person, which means you both have to like each other's profile. Only after that, you'll be able to chat in OkCupid. It'll appear over here in the message section. You can see this message icon at the bottom, tap on it. When you get a match, it'll show up like this. So you can simply tap on their profile and it'll open the conversation for you. From here, you can chat with them. You can type your message and send to them. So that's it. That's how you can easily chat in OkCupid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.